Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Jonathan Palacio Torrado.
Okay, Jonathan. How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
Where do you live?
Currently, I am living in Fontibón, located in the Bogota city.
Okay, Bogota. Are you single or married?
I am single.
Okay. Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
Who do you live with?
I live with my two roommates.
Okay. What are you studying?
I study industrial engineer.
What are your hobbies?
I like cooking, dancing, jogging, and reading.
Where do you work?
I work in teleperformance call center.
Okay, Jonathan. Can you tell me about yourself?
I am a dedicated and committed person. I want to get a hit in the difficulties of everyday life.
What are your strengths?
I am responsible. I am committed to my work. I am empathic and I like to work.
Now, what are your wins?
I am a little impatient and patient.
What is your biggest achievement in life?
So far, my greatest achievement has been to buy my own apartment.
Where do you say? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself pursuing my career as an industrial engineer in an major company.
Why do you want to leave your job?
Because I want to focus on the field of work in which I am training.
Okay. So, why do you want to work for us?
Because I know they are an excellent company with excellent human talent.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
I could start with $700.
Okay. Okay, Jonathan, thank you very much. You must be attentive to our call and your email, okay?
Thank you very much for this interview. Thank you.
Bye.